Resistance and fear are at the core of everything you try and fail to manifest as it pertains to abundance and the law of attraction. Most of the time, it is our fears and limiting beliefs that hold us back. Those fears and limiting beliefs are the walls our thoughts cannot get around. All of the positive thinking in the world can be quickly canceled out if we spend most of our day immersed in negativity, lack, and chaos. Think about those things you spend your time focused on throughout your day. If you are constantly telling yourself that money is hard to come by or you struggle with money, then that is what continues to manifest. I'm Leslie Riopel from the Gratitude Project, and I'm so thrilled you decided to join us for this exciting program. We're switching gears here for Season 4 and moving from mindfulness into manifestation. This month, we're celebrating your natural state of abundance with mindful blessisms for abundance, prosperity, wealth, and financial freedom. I don't know about you, but this is an area where I am always working on something. You know, it's hard to turn your thinking around when you are surrounded by negativity. As a society, we tend to focus more on the problems and the negativity than we do on the positive. The truth is that focusing on the problems isn't going to get you anywhere, and as a matter of fact, it's probably holding you back. If you want to attract more abundance and prosperity, you have to focus on abundance and prosperity. It's as simple as that. The more you can focus your mind on the positive, the more good things come in. You can start by working on your thoughts little by little and breaking down that wall of resistance. The Blessism for today is all about overcoming the false belief of lack. So for this Blessism, you can either listen or repeat it along with me. Let's begin. I bless myself and my ability to overcome the false belief of lack. I believe in a better world. I acknowledge I live on a planet with limitless resources. I bless my ability to overcome any limitations or disbeliefs that may stand in my way of living an abundant, prosperous, happy, fulfilling life. I believe anything is possible now. Anything might happen at any moment. I believe I live in a world of unlimited abundance. I believe I am connected to an abundance of money, wealth, and prosperity, and an abundance of good right now. An infinity of good awaits me. I am connected to this universal source energy, an infinite mind that provides unlimited abundance. I bless myself and my belief that I can achieve anything and manifest any amount of money, wealth, or abundance I want, need, or desire. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So take a moment now to reflect on all that positive energy you now feel. Thanks for joining me on the Gratitude Project. 365 days of gratitude and mindful blessings for a happy, healthy, healed life. To find out more about Blessisms, please visit our website at mindfullyblessed.com. You can also visit one of our 2 podcast shows, Stressed to Mindfully Blessed or Abundance Mindset. Thanks for joining me today.